शिल्पा जी, राज सर, शिल्पा जी ऑन द राइट, शिल्पा जी यहाँ पे, शिल्पा जी यहाँ पे, चलो आज में।
Kundra, co-authored by Mr. Akyari Lehri, Mr. Shilpa Shetty Kundra, and Mr. Sohail Seth. Ladies and Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, we're here to launch the book How Not to. Ladies and gentlemen, when booze smugglers Jay and Mike reconsider their options after another close brush with the law, their friend Aziz, a corporate lawyer, comes up with a plan for all of them to rake in even more money with less risk. Guys, we will have a photo op for the electronic media as well. We just start with the print first. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. The book titled How Not to Make Money by Mr. Raj Kundra, co-authored by Mr. Akyari Lehri. Please give him a big round of applause. Please, 2 minutes, please.
Hello.
Thank you very much and congratulations, Akyari Raj. We hope to see many more books from you. But first of all, I'm sure the audience gathered here, we all know, Raj, you are a multifaceted person and an entrepreneur. Where do you get the time to write a book or even think of the idea and sort of stick to it and complete it? How did this whole idea come about?
Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for taking out time tonight. It's been quite an interesting journey for me. For the last 5 years, there was a germ, there was a seed, and I just felt it important after seeing this scam happening in front of my eyes that we promulgate the story and people should realize what's actually happened. And that's when I met Argya, my co-writer, because obviously there's no way I could have done this alone, and he has been the real pillar of strength and the real support. Argya was working on Shilpa's yoga DVD when I first met him, and I realized he'd also studied in England, and he understood the lingo and the way people move and work and do things. So I told him, I said, look, these are my first few chapters. I've started writing. I need some help. Can you help me develop this book? And over the last 5 years, we've been talking, email, Skype, and finally came up with a book that was worthy of publishing. And I want to thank Random House for helping me on this journey. And yeah, I mean, enjoy the book and tell me what you think. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Raj. Well, Shilpa, were you aware of the idea that Raj was contemplating writing, or possibly something in the pipeline? And how did you react to it? Because you guys managed so many things together. Where did writing fit into the whole picture?
I can quite imagine where that question comes from, because Raj truly is a very busy man. He's perpetually traveling. He's in the midst of work. He's so busy with me. But
It's a little bundle of joy.
And now it's Dian who's kind of taking precedence. But when he first started writing this book, I think it started even before he met me. He was spreading down his thoughts, and then he got a little serious about it, and I never took it seriously. He was like, I'm writing this book, and writing this book. And then one day I see, and he'd be on these long phone calls with Argya to a point where I started doubting and, doubting him, and I thought he was having an affair with Argya. Yeah, I thought he was having an affair till I knew it was Argya. But then I realized the seriousness of it when we were holidaying in London once, and suddenly I saw Argya land up in London. And why? Because Raj and he decided to take this train from London to Paris, and he wanted to show him the whole Calais run, that whole opening sequence, and I was like, Raj, are you seriously cracked? He's like, no, he's, he's writing the book with me, he has to understand the journey. So that's Raj for you, and I think Agya has complimented his writing and his thought process and what he's wanted to do, and it's a wonderful book. It's a very proud moment for me as a wife. And yeah, normally you go to bed with a book. I have the clear advantage of going to bed with the author.
Thank you so much, Shilpa. Thank you, and we wish both of you all the very best. Well, Suhail, in one of the introductions that I had to you, it said you're also known as the marketing guru. How does a marketing guru react to a book that's titled "How Not to Make Money"?